Welcome everybody, Nikita here, and today I am sharing with you my deep conditioning routine. I am going in depth to show you how it is that I apply my deep condition to aid in properly moisturizing my hair and assist in length retention. So I start off by sectioning my hair in 4 sections. Once I do that, I go ahead to ensure that I have enough water. If needs be, apply some water to my hair. And then I section my hair into smaller sections. Those 4 main sections, I am just applying the deep condition around the parameters of my hair. Once it is that I have completed applying the deep conditions around the parameter, I go ahead and make smaller sections and add the deep condition to each sections. I want to ensure that it gets to every part of my hair. If you have relaxed your hair before, I use a similar process. Part in small sections, combing in the deep conditioner to my roots, and once it is I finish applying the product in all of that area, then I go in and add it to the middle and the ends of my hair. I just want to ensure that every section of my hair is coated with my moisturizer, with my deep conditioner, and then I will wrap the ends around to seal in that product again to ensure that it is penetrated into my hair shaft. Those waves, I guess, and that's what happens. The heat allows the product to get into your hair, and when I take this off in 2 to 2.5 hours, you'll see my hair is nice and wavy and my curls are just popping. I also would have done the Aztec clay mask prior to this, so I'm definitely just going in and giving my hair a lot of love today. If you haven't seen my Aztec clay mask video, you should definitely see. I'll link it below and in the cards. Yes, so I'll give you guys an update once it is that I'm finished deep conditioning. Now 3:05. I've had the deep conditioner in my hair for approximately 2.5 hours, and this is what my hair is looking like. Thoroughly moisturized. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you learn a few tricks about deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys in my next video. What good?